two companies, two big launches, and same week. Google just dropped Gemini 3.7 Flash, and DeepSeek just dropped V4 Pro. One is the fast and cheap, and one is the smart and flexible. In the next 6 minutes, I will break down both models, show you what changed, and tell you which one actually matters for you. So let's go. Okay, so let's start with Google. Gemini 3. Flash landed just 3 weeks after the Flash model. This is very fast release cycle. Google says this update comes from developer feedback and small algorithms improvement, not a brand new model from scratch. Here's what's new. One is a big coding upgrade. On a benchmark called DeepSWE, the score jumped from 49% to 65%. On another test called Frontier Code, it went from 34% to almost 44%. That means fewer bugs, fewer retries, and cleaner code on the very first try, right? Two is the better web development. Gemini 3.7 Flash builds more complete and working apps in fewer prompts. Its score on Web Dev Arena, a test that ranks how good models are at building websites, moved up to from 1538 to 1588, right? Small jump, but it matters at this level, right? Okay. Third is smarter agent behavior. Google says the model thinks more before doing multi-step tasks. It plans better, asks for clarity when needed, and follows instructions more accurately. Less babysitting for developers, right? Okay. Four is it's already live, and Gemini Spark. You can see Gemini Spark, Google's AI agent inside Workspace, is now running on 3.7 Flash. It can pull your files together, draft emails, and update status docs on its own way, right? This is only for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscriber right now. Fifth is price cut. Until the end of 2026, it costs 0.75 per million input tokens and 3.75 per million input output tokens, right? That is half the launch price of the previous Flash model. After that, in 2027, the price doubled. This is the limited time deal for developers, right? Okay. Now let's talk about DeepSeek. DeepSeek officially launched the full version of V4 Pro this week, called V4 Pro 0813, and the focus here is different. It's built for AI agents, tasks where the AI uses tools, run codes, and finishes multi-step jobs on its own. Uh, Okay, what is the new on this model? So one is adjustable thinking power. V4 Pro now has three effort level: low, high, and max. Simple question get quicks and cheap answers. Hard problem like tough maths or a long coding tasks get the model's full thinking power. You control the trade off between speed and depth. Two is strong agent benchmarks. It scored 87.9 on terminal bench, 62.7 on deep SWE, and 61.5 on a benchmark called NL2 repo, right? All of these tests how well an AI can work like a real developer, using a terminal, fixing code, and understanding full code bases, right? Three is a huge context window. Uh, it can handle up to 1 million of input and give outputs as long 3 384,000 tokens. That means it can read massive documents or code bases in one go, right? 4 is plug and play with OpenAI tools. This is big. V4 Pro now works with OpenAI's responses API format out of the box, right? Yeah, it even has built-in support for codecs. So if your tools are already built for OpenAI, you don't need to rewrite anything to switch to DeepSeek, right? Okay, 5 and big 5 is bigger and open. uh, Under the hood, it's massive mixture of expert models, 1.6 trillion total parameters with 4.9 billion active at a time. And unlike Gemini, DeepSeek's weights are open. Developers can self-host it, right? Okay, the catch is price are going up. Output tokens are rising to 3.96 per million at a peak hour, up from a flat 87 cent before, right? Still cheaper than most competitor, but the too good to be true, right? Pricing era for DeepSeek is ending, right? Okay, so if I compare actually head to head, so speed and cost, Gemini 3.7 Flash wins. It builds to be fast and cheap, especially till the end of 2026. If I discuss about deep reasoning and agent tasks, DeepSeek V4 Pro wins because the adjustable thinking levels and a huge context window make it better for heavy and complex jobs. Uh, if we discuss ecosystem fit, if you are already using Google Workspace, Gemini plugged in directly through Spark. If you are already using OpenAI style tools, DeepSeek now fits without any writing. Openness. So if we discuss openness, so DeepSeek is open weight, Gemini is fully closed. So basically Gemini 3.7 Flash is quick, affordable daily driver, and DeepSeek V4 Pro is the heavy lifting flexible power tool, right? Okay, now here my honest take. I don't think this is a winner takes all situations, right? These two models are built for different jobs. If I am building something fast, a quick app, a chatbot, a daily automation, Gemini 3.7's price and speed make it the easier choice, at least until that discounts end in December. But if I am working on something that needs deep reasoning, huge documents, or full control over hosting, DeepSeek for V4 Pro is the more serious tool. The adjustable thinking levels alone are a smarter design. If you are not paying full price for a simple question anymore, right? Okay. And here's what it means for us in India, right? Uh, for US, if I discuss about students or freelancer, you now have two genuinely strong and affordable models to build with. Gemini's cheap pricing is a great for learning and small projects. DeepSeek's open weight means you can even self-host if you want to full control and lower long-term cost, right? Okay, for small businesses, DeepSeek's OpenAI compatibility is huge. If you are already built something using OpenAI tools, switching or adding DeepSeek costs you almost nothing in developer time, right? For creator like us, this is a proof that AI tools are getting cheaper and smarter at the same time. This is the this is the direct advantage for anyone building content, apps, or businesses on the tight budget in India, right? So uh, the message is simple. Don't get stuck loyal to one company. Use the right model for the right job. That is how you win in the AI race. Okay. Okay. That's the today's comparison of Gemini 3.7 Flash and DeepSeek V4 Pro. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell icon, because we posted daily AI updates on this channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We will meet you in the next video. For that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.